What's up, everybody? It's your boy Undoubtedly Trey, and I'm back with another unboxing and a quick review of this new shoe that I just purchased it, and I'm excited about it. Right off the bat, you can see if you don't have any glare, this is a Nike box. Says "Just Do It." I really like the black tape around this box. I'm glad it wasn't stolen because everybody can see that it's probably something from Nike and that it's maybe a shoe, maybe clothes. Either way, it can get stolen. There's a black swoosh on each side. I already took off the my tags and all that stuff, so that's how the box looks coming from. All right, so now that we got the box open, we're gonna go ahead and see what we got in here, guys. This is something that just released. Just a hint, he used to be on my favorite NFL football team. I'll tell you that. All right, there we go. Black Nike box. Got the glossy Nike on top. And let's just go right around. I'll just show you. So Air Max 720 OBJ, multicolor hyper pink, size 10. Retail on these was $200. So let's go ahead and take these out and get right into it. Comes wrapped up in white Nike paper with the Nike logo on the paper. All right, there we go. Got them out of the box, guys. So, like I said, these are the Odell Beckhams. But right off the bat, what pops out to me, of course, no pun intended, is the big air bubble right there. 720 degrees. I know it has more air than any previous Nike Air Maxes, and I haven't owned an Air Max. I think I got a pair of the 2012s Air Maxes and things of that sort. So I wasn't a fan of the Air Max 720s when they came out, but I just like this shoe. The colors pop out. I like bright colors. It looks like a great summer shoe. It's a multicolor. It's the pink. I was reading a little bit about the design as well, and it looks like the guy, and I'm just reading directly from the website here, looks like the guy who designed them was talking to Odell Beckham, and Odell said, I think far out is in, and it looks like they took some inspiration from some of the early 90s turf trainers that they had, like the Barry Sanders and things of that sort. And where they get that, I haven't picked up a Air Max 720, I don't believe, but if I have, I don't recall them having like little nubs on the bottom on that shoe, since it's, you know, quote unquote a running shoe as opposed to these. But just go a quick round of shoe here. So you see the pink, you see the multicolor, you see the lime, you see the patches. There goes the medial side right there. We got a little holes for ventilation. Looks like it's covered up on the inside there, so that just may be for looks there. Got the green tab here. Suede hits right here. A lot of craziness going on with this shoe, and I don't know what this design is right here either, but hey, it's multicolor, and you got the suede right here on the toe, and you got the big air bubble. This is really soft right here, this Air Max, this lime green section right here. And I don't know, worst case scenario, it'll be for grip. And if you can see right there on the toe, I do remember seeing these on early 90s shoes as well, like the little I don't know, rivets or whatever you want to call them there. On the inside, you got the cork insole on both shoes, and it says OBJ on that design, and it looks like some sharks and things of that sort. So let me see if I can take this out. All right, so it's a pretty thick insole too here, if you can kind of tell. And it says OBJ, and if I can focus on this, it has a shark. I don't know what that is. OBJ logo, and I'm not ready to take the size 10 sticker off, so I don't know what that says yet. And a Nike swoosh on there. I do own another pair of shoes that have a full cork insole as well. It's some Pumas. Get to this other shoe. Oh, and this is 3M. Does the other one have that? No, that's just not 3M. Okay, and then you have an extra pair of laces. I'll probably swap out these laces, and it comes with patches as well that you can place on the tongue of this shoe, like little Velcro, and change it up a little bit. So let's see if we can get in there a little bit. So it looks like you have an OBJ logo, and then you have this logo, and I'm sure it means something. I can't think of it right now, but if you know, you can comment on it. maybe from an old Air Max, like a Tuned Air logo. I don't know what it is, but. And then these laces looks like they're black and multicolor, pretty much match the shoe as well. But man, it looks like I'm gonna be high up off the ground a little bit in these shoes. Anyway, these are the Odell Beckhams. If you have any questions, comment. Maybe I'll do it on foot. Maybe I'll do it on foot. I think I can. But either way, if you have any questions, concerns, you're looking for them, reach out to me. Reach out in the comment section. But I'm an Odell fan. I like this shoe. I like bright colors. Summer's here. I'm in Texas. It's hot. I think this is going to be a good shoe to wear. So, peace.